Hey everyone, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the MOG store on Amazon. It comes with 2 cute hair ties and a mesh wig cap. The hair is a 13x4 deep wave lace front wig. It's 22 inches, 150% density, and Brazilian virgin human hair. The wig feels soft and the hair looks full, and I'm not getting much shedding as I'm running my fingers through the wig. The curls also look nice and uniformed, but the hair has a strong chemical smell. The wig is made from transparent Swiss lace, and on the inside of it are 4 combs and adjustable straps. So I put my wig cap on and then the wig. Please keep in mind that my foundation or braids underneath of the wig are not the flattest, and I didn't bother to rebraid my hair. So then I adjusted the wig to fit my head and it fit pretty snug, maybe a little too tight. Then I cut the lace. So this is how the wig is looking with the front lace cut, and I decided to do a middle part. Then I sprayed some water on the hair and worked it throughout the wig, and I got a good amount of shedding after I plucked the curls out and wet them. I also used this wig and weave mousse to better define the curls and make them bouncier. Next, I used the Got To Be Glued freeze spray and their styling gel to glue the front of the wig down. I also used this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, color 360, and a small makeup brush to better blend the lace with my skin tone. Then I went in with this Style Factor Edge Booster to create a few baby hairs. The last product used was this She Is Foam hair wax stick to make the top of the wig lay flatter. And lastly, I just tied the wig down with a scarf. And this is how the hair turned out. The wig does look pretty full and the part looks nice. The curls also look cute. Again, it's not the flattest at the top, and that's because my braids weren't that flat. But I do like how bouncy the curls are. But let me know what you guys thought of this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.